Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 21st of May 2025. We first look at the calendar and you can see that there's only CPI, that's for GBP. We don't have a USD news. There's a Euro mid impact news. So normally we're interested in the USD news. However, if you trade on GBP, then you might be interested to say 7 a.m. GBP news. All these times is UK times. And let's jump onto the chart. As previously discussed, um, the huge rejection in weekly markets going up and daily liquidity sweep already discussed, and 4 hours today, as discussed before. This 4 hour level has been broken. That was the expectation anyway. And now I did mention that this is a kind of head and shoulder. However, instead of breaking from here, it came down, filled this gap, and then broke to the upside. And now next target is this level. And then because there's no much looking in smaller time frame, there's not much retest here. There's a smaller kind of rejection, but if in 1 hour we see some sort of rejection here, we might see some rejection and market may come down to these levels or even this level, and we can see the buy from her. That's 1 hour chart, and let's explore into 2 hours, 30 minutes. Yeah, this is not a very strong area because we already broke this strong area here, this area. And that is actually the 4 hour level. And now definitely this is the another area. So on possibly on some sort of retest around, probably around here somewhere, we can get a good setup up to there. So always look at the smaller time frame, how the market is moving, and then that helps us to make our decision more accurately with smaller stop loss. But these days, gold is moving very fast, and the gold, even smaller candles, have a lot of pips in this. So make sure you put your stop loss accordingly. Right, this is 15 minutes, and you can see the higher highs. This level was broken, and let's explore in different time frames. We may have a better picture. Brilliant. This is moving. It's very bullish. As you can see, the rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. Daily liquidity sweep around here, this area. So you can always explore in different time frames. So today, market moved from 3,200 almost to nearly 3,290. So that's a huge movement, the almost $9 movement between $8 and $9. So I would definitely expect some sort of rejection before we can look for the buy trade around this area. So always refine your levels in daily, sorry, in smaller time frames, not daily. So, and then you can have more accurate entries. You can use moving averages like I do as well. And you can have more smaller stop loss in that case. So the different EMAs you can use. For example, I use sometime 10-20 EMA, so by an RSI, and you can see that here we've got good buy setup here, here. Now we should look for a pullback before we enter the market. But if you want more about the strategies I use, please do comment on this video and I'll make another video for that. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye bye.